The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change and global bodies focus on emission stabilization under the COP Paris framework. Yet thermodynamically, that only halts further heating. It doesn't remove the vast energy already stored in Earth's oceans and atmosphere, over 90% of which commits the planet to 0.5 to 1 degrees Celsius of residual warming, even under perfect compliance. To reverse it, the system needs a net negative energy flux. More heat leaving than entering. That's where SnowPanel comes in. Each centrifugal unit extracts CO2 and latent heat, converting trapped oceanic energy into ice. Doubling from 336 to 672 pumps doubles global cooling, from minus 0.2 degrees Celsius to minus 0.4 degrees Celsius per year, restoring minus 2 degrees Celsius to minus 4 degrees Celsius of planetary recovery over a decade. This is SnowPanel, science and technology you can build today.